X4. '67. Man, these X4s are nice. Wow. I don't know the deal on X4s. All I know is about the X5. X3. This would be a good car for Nina. '47. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Go down here to the pre-owned cars. That's not bad for a new car though. Oh. How you doing? All right. Oh, look at this. Damn. That's a 540. You just gotta like BMWs. This shit is nice. Is this somebody's car I'm sitting in? Wow, man, these things are nice. I would trade my Corvette for one of these. Oh man, it sounds good inside here. Replace battery. Yeah, I would trade my Vette for a Beamer. I probably should have got this damn Vette. I mean, this car. That is nice. Oh, it does all that when you get in. I wonder if it has those doors. Nah, I don't. Oh, they done changed it. Got the little scoop there now. That's not even more than mine. 71. Oh my God. Oh, that's blue. Why you won't focus? $7,040. That is real nice. Man, at least maybe I've gotten less cheap in my life. These cars really are reasonably priced. That's 70,000. That is what is that, an X4? I don't know nothing about that. But I know it's tight. And this is 70. X5 is only 70. How much is that? That's only $70,000 for X5. That is not a bad price. I like the way they got these hoods. You can go into manual. I mean, these shifters. Go into manual. Big spacious glove box. And look at here. Look. I'm talking about seat adjustments in my car. Look, solid. Not that bullshit in a Corvette. I hate to curse, but man, come on, man. I mean, here are the presets right here. Big solid buttons, not that cheap flimsy stuff in my car. And it's just fit and finish, man. Look at the fit and finish of a BMW. Just refined. It's kind of funny to me. But again, when you buy a Corvette, you're buying a Corvette for the engine. This interior stuff, I really believe, is secondary to them. But it's not. That's not their priority. We're gonna go down here and look at some used BMWs. The only problem with BMW is that the oil leak and electrical problems. Like everyone I've had has had an oil leak. I don't know why that car looks black, but it's actually blue. See, they thought it was Bluetooth. Was that an X3? I don't even want to look at that. Yeah, I like these Beamers. Hey, how you doing, man? Nah, I'm just kind of killing some time. I was gonna look at your used cars later. All right, thanks. Ooh. Look at that. What is that? This got to be a 3 Series. A 2 Series? What the? Wow. Cadillac Brink for 49. And these cameras, so I can't really get the whole picture. $430i.
It is Kevin.
I used to didn't like this interior, but it seemed like they lighten the color up. It's not like that real dark it used to have. Man. Got the sunroof. It's 430 battery discharge. Start engine. You need that battery charge. $49. That's not bad for a Beamer. I should have looked at these before I looked at my Corvette, but you know, it was a dream car. This is the X3. No, it's an X6. I'm not sure what to say about that. It looks like an old that was this I can't think of the name. It was a Chevrolet car. BMW new car smell is way different than Corvette new car smell. I mean, they all smell good. Ain't nothing like new car, man. I bet you this has got to be at least 80,000. Oh, that don't tell me nothing. Wow. Well, almost 80, 79,000. Like 8 something, 9 something. I don't know what to say other than it's just a lot more refined than my car. Don't get me wrong, I like the Corvettes, but it's got a sunroof and everything. It's about the BMWs and the foreign-made cars just seem to be a lot more refined than I bet this one has that door. Yep, see? That door that automatically closes. I like that. That's smooth. They got the accessories for you. I think if I buy another car, it's probably going to be a Beamer. I mean, they got, this got to be an M series. Yep. Let's See how much is the M series. M series is 88,440. But you got a carbon fiber. No sunroof, of course. Damn. I think that car give a vet run for the money too. Yeah. Let's see, they got a nice selection of used. It's like that used. That can't be used. That's got to be new. Oh damn, it is used. 49/9/2015. That's an X6.